Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video. Binibining Anonymous diditagan for today's video. So I won't take any longer. Gawa natin yung reaction video, yung See the Difference, Barbie Fortesa and David Licao Cubarda edit. So basically, ang ibig ditong sabihin is just like the before and after. Diba? Yung the past and the present, should I say. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this. Ano to be? That kind of love. Ay, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Charit! Ay, oo nga. Kaya yung tinginan nila, iba. Alam mo yung... Ngayon kasi dikit na dikit for today's video. Hindi mo kaya dikit na dikit. Di ba? Ngayon kasi... Software dikit ang mga person for today's video. Ang gwapo. Ito, konti lang itong nagawan ko dito.
Maraming salamat to our celebrity
gawan lang.
Who braved the traffic to be here tonight. Maraming salamat. Direk, thank you so much sa tiwala at sa suporta sa amin dito sa pelikulang ito. Maraming salamat. David, thank you.
Thank you. David, thank you.
Sana ma-enjoy niyo yung pelikula.
Iba din.
Napakagaling dito ni
Iba din siya.
Napakagaling din ni Barbie Fortesa. Kaya,
the words of affirmation for today's video, hindi mo kakayanin. Hindi mo kakayanin yung words of affirmation ni Ginoo at hindi niya kaya ng aking camera. Eme. So this is the before and after. Okay.
thank you so much guys for being here.
Thank you so much for today's video. Ay. Ay. Kinilig ko ito nakita. Ay, ito na siya. Ito na ang present tense. Ang present tense for today's video, ibang-iba talaga.
Let me guess. You're thinking about going
Ay,
there.
may odds
And
na
as
si
a therapist myself, of course,
Congratulations,
I'm going to
Binibining
Great.
Anonymous. May odds na siya.
You'll meet 3 kinds of love in your
Three
life.
kinds of
Parang
love.
the first one, parang you feel all the butterflies in your stomach. Ganyan yung first love. And then yung second love will teach you all the lessons you need to learn
Second
in
love.
And then
Saan
the
ko
third
na-interview?
one is the love na
That will make you
magpaparamdam
disappear.
sa'yo how love should feel like.
So, greatest love or the eternal love, ganun ba yun?
For me, that's David.
Ay,
Oh, syempre. I care about him. a
tama
lot.
ba yun? Ay. Bakit yun naman ginong? Bakit naman ginong for today's video? Aha.
Guys, once again, Miss Barbie Fortesa.
Miss Barbie, ay, tingnan mo naman yung ginawa natin for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Ay, oh. Be, ibang-iba talaga sila for today's video. Softer, iba talaga ang kanilang atake. Wala akong masasabi. Iba ang atake nila, be.
Ay, Patrick Barbie. Thank you for appreciate that. And,
Si Barbie. Barbie nyo. Hindi na kinakaya. Charis! Hindi na kinakaya, di ba? Wala na. May mga nag-disagree na fell harder daw si Barbie. Same lang daw sila ni David. Actually, parang true din naman. Pero, nag-umpisa kasi si Barbie in a very, how do I say this? Siyempre may boyfriend siya, diba? Kasi si Ginoo talaga, consistent siya kung anong pinakita ni Ginoo, ganun talaga siya. Pero si Barbie kasi, parang makikita mo talaga yung difference ng sweetness niya. From the small, parang small, medium, large. Tapos yung extra large na tinodo niya. Diba? Yun yung ibig kong sabihin for today's video. I'm getting closer. Yan ba talaga dapat, Mel?
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that.
Di ba yan? Bakit may ads? Okay.
Even if it don't happen fast. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all the feelings. I know I'll be hurt.
Iba talaga ang sweetness nila. Then and now pala. Past and present. Ano ba? KJ. Pwede naman. Oh, di ba? Tuting na pelikula nilang dalawa. Tuting na pelikula nilang dalawa. Hindi sila tabi. Ngayon niya, hindi nila pelikula. Bongga ang closer nila for today's video. Now tell me. Kasama pa yung mga syupatembang. Hindi mo kaya.
Galing-galing naman ni Reverend Sam.
Ay, hindi ko ito nakita.
Ay, grabe.
Reverend Sam.
Life-changing.
Life-changing.
Ay,
Eye-opening. Breathtaking.
uy, hindi ko na nakita.
Bagay sa kanya pag lagi nakangiti.
Pwede kang magbago
Ay,
and
oo,
maisip mo na
based on your experience,
it
di
takes one
ba?
person
Suffer.
or one instance in life and that might change you.
I'm getting
Closer. Based on your experience, Ginoo. Di ba? Ano pa? Mga pictures sila to. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!